Bagsak pa mga kabalen, Pampanga Giant Lanterns muling nanalo laban sa Caloocan Victory Liners at ang hinirang na best player ay si Topeng Lagrama. Ang small but terrible newly added point guard ay nagtala ng 9 points, 7 rebounds at 11 assists para sa Pampanga. Tuloy-tuloy na panalo para sa ating maragul na parul, Pampanga Giant Lanterns. Kanya-kanyang pakilala rin sa depensa ang ating mga idol na si Ernest Reyes at Archie Concepcion. At hindi rin nagpauli sa puntusan si Idol Jason Castro Apolonio na nagtala ng 20 points sa umpisa ng ating bakbakan laban sa Caloocan. Muling pinatunayan ng Pampanga Giant Lanterns Young Blood na talagang kaya nilang sumabay sa laro ng MPBL sa ganda ng stats at sunod-sunod na panalo. Solido pa sa depensa ang ating mga idol. Dakal pong salamat kabalen kayong support tayo king Pampanga Giant Lanterns at sana supportan tala po karing tutukid ang piyalong kayong MPBL. Bagsak pa mga kabalen, Luigi Pampanga Giant Lanterns, Luigi MPBL, Luigi Inka Pampangan.
For the victory lap though. Whoa, whoa. They ain't never seen nothing like this before. Lit the room when I came through the front door. Ask me if I should overcome. What for? Train in the trees, please pardon my sycamore. Touch burning sands, cross lands and stormy shore seasons in the year, yeah. Ain't no challenge for champions and chain no fear. Yup, the champ is here. Switch gears, we're keeping haters in the rear. At the blood, sweat and tears and my goal so near. I see my victory so clear. I see my victory so clear. And today, we break through. 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 I know it's lonely at the top, but that's not by speculation. But the position that I got.
Bagsak pa mga kabalen at shoutout tayo kay Idol Engineer Diosdado Dizon, Brian Macam, Nelson Aquino, Raymond Guevara at happy birthday Ronel Lumanlan at shoutout kay Aren Makabali. Bagsak pa mga idol.